Hello everybody, this is John here in Angeles City, Republic of the Philippines. The rain has let up for a little while. So I thought I'd take this time to shoot a short video for you. This area I'm at right now is, I believe it's called Pandan Central. It's kind of a jeepney hangout, terminal type. You can catch a jeepney here, you're going to different places that are written on the side of the Jeep. Since there's a high school right there across the street, a lot of students will be riding. We've been getting lots and lots of rain lately. There's a lot of low pressure areas. Tell you what, you see all kind of vehicles here. It's an armored car. And as always, I want to thank you for viewing. I know a lot of people have busy schedules and it's hard to find time to turn on YouTube, but I'm sure I'm glad when you turn it on and you go to my channel. And we're starting to get rain again, so and if you could please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would sure appreciate that. And a comment? Leave a comment. I learn from your comments. And that thumb, up or down, that's up to you. Like I said, I want to thank you for taking your time to view. Have a wonderful day.